What's going on, guys? It's Eddie with DIY Basics. Welcome back to the channel. I just want to go over garbage disposals. Sometimes they jam up on you depending on what you put inside them. And I just want to go over a couple things we could do to clear them. So, as you can see here in the photo, this is the bottom of a garbage disposal. You can see there's a red button there where that red arrow is pointing. And there's also a slot in the middle, which is an Allen key slot. Yeah, so what you want to do is you want to push that red button. A lot of times, if the garbage disposal's been jammed up for a bit and you've been trying to turn it on, a lot of times it'll heat up and it'll shut down on a high limit. So that's like a reset button. You can hit that and it should start working. If when you go to turn it on, you hear like a humming sound, that means it still wants to turn on, but for some reason it's something's lodged inside of it, and it won't allow it to spin. So in this case, that's where you use the Allen key slot. That's also indicated by that red arrow right in the center. And the tool that's used to clear that, it actually comes with the unit. A lot of times we just toss them out because we don't really know what they're for and we don't ever think we're going to need them. The good news is that it's a 1/4 inch Allen key is all it is. And so if you have a regular Allen key in your arsenal, you can use that as well. And I'll show you a picture of what that looks like. Uh, So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to stick the Allen key in that slot and you're going to turn it back and forth until you dislodge it and you actually feel it moving freely. And I'm going to also include a little video of what that looks like, so you can get an idea of how it should turn when you're working it freely. And most of the time, that's going to fix your issue. So I hope this helped, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.